Measure, and Mix. Today is a bonus upload day. I don't typically upload on Sundays, but I had a haul that I wanted to share with you guys, and I don't typically do hauls on my channel. I think I've done one haul in the almost 2 years I have been doing YouTube. So I am excited to share what I got with you guys. It is from the Target, Bullseye, Playground, Dollar Spot, whatever you want to call it, and also from Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see some more hauls down in the comments below. I'll be happy to do them if you guys like them. So if you just like hauls in general, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do DIYs and home decor on a budget. So stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't ever miss out on any new videos, especially bonus videos like I'm doing today. All right, let's get started on the haul. I'm gonna start out first with Dollar Tree. I didn't get too much, but I got a few things. So the first thing I'm gonna start out with is the signs I got from Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. This one in particular, it is like 5 hearts on some ribbon, and it just has different sayings. It's sparkly, it has the scalloped edges on them, and I'm sure I will be turning this into something different. It's cute as it is, but it just doesn't go with my decor, so turning it into something different will definitely work out for me. The next thing I got was, of course, one of the red trucks for Valentine's Day, since Dollar Tree has them out now with the little hearts on it, which I think it's super cute, but again, it doesn't go with my decor. It's got the sparkles on it, so I'm sure I'll be painting this, maybe making it look a little more springy or something like that, so that way I can use it a little bit longer than Valentine's Day. The next thing I got was this little heart that, I don't know how you would describe that. It like folds or whatever. It's attached by like ribbon on the back, and it folds in on itself. Anyways, again, cute as it is, but I'll be turning it into something different, I'm sure, for a DIY. The next thing I got, the next sign, I got a lot of signs, was this one with the little galvanized metal hearts on it that say love. They have another one that says something else, I can't remember what it says, and this one, I don't know, I really like the way this one looks. I might leave it as is, or I don't know, I might take the hearts off and do something else with the hearts, or I don't know. It's cute though. I think it, you know, I think it would go with my decor, so we'll see what happens with this one. The next thing I got, or the next 2 things I got, they're the same signs with just different sayings on them. It's this one that says, I'm trying to read it in the screen what it says, but I can't. Love is all you read. No, all you need. Why would it say all you read? All you need. Love is all you need, and it's got the red truck with the hearts on it and the little bow at the top, and then the bicycle one that says Happy Valentine's Day on it. So again, I don't know if I'll keep it. I mean, these are really cute the way they are, so maybe I'll just leave these, or I will do something else. You'll have to find out and see. The next thing, let me put these aside. Okay, the next thing is this cute little baby blanket with the pink and gray hearts on it. I think it's so cute. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's a fleece baby blanket from Dollar Tree in their baby section, and I'll be doing something with that for sure. And then I got these bags, which I had 2 bags from last year like this still, but I wanted to pick up some more because I think I have an idea for them to use them, so we'll see. This one has the heart with the bee mine on it and the pink and white stripes, and then it has the red and white hearts with the pink background for the second one, and then this one has Happy Valentine's Day with the gold stripes and the pink hearts with the white background on this one. So like I said, I'll be doing something with those. Hopefully it works out. Stay tuned to see that. The next thing I got, which I actually got a pack of the ones with the red hearts on them, are these little treat bags. But I found the pink ones. They didn't have the pink ones, and I really wanted the pink ones. So I got a pack of the pink ones. This time around, I'll be doing a DIY with these and probably with the red ones as well. Then the last kind of Valentine's Day thing I got were these little candle holders. They are like a mirror effect with kind of like on the inside they have like a color. This one has purple, and then so this one has an X on it and it's purple on the inside, and it's like a gold mirror effect. And then the O has a silver mirror effect, and then it has pink on the inside. So I got 4 of these to like display that say XOXO on them. So I don't know, I might do something else with them, but they're super cute as they are, so we'll see what happens with those. And then Dollar Tree had a bunch of these little pillows out. They're the tiny little pillows. They had round ones that were like gray and teal, and then they had other ones with little sayings on them that said hello and different colors. But I liked this one because I thought it would be good for spring and Valentine's Day, so you could use it for a little bit longer. And you know, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with it, if it's just gonna set somewhere or if I'm gonna turn it into something, but it's nice and soft. It has like a velvety material to it, so it's kind of pretty, and I like the saying on it, so I liked it. The next thing I picked up was some twine. This is just for using for DIYs. I picked up 2 bunches of those. And then I picked up some of these foam dice from Dollar Tree that I'm gonna be using for a DIY. Hopefully it turns out as well. And then I picked up this little frame with the little clothespins and the twine, so you can hang your pictures on it, and then it's got like a black background. I'll be doing something with this hopefully. And then lastly from Dollar Tree, I just picked up some paintbrushes because I always need paintbrushes. All right, so that's all for Dollar Tree. Let's see what I got from Target. Okay, so everything from Target is from the Bullseye Playground, Dollar Spot, I don't know what they call it now, but I got a lot of Valentine's Day stuff and some home decor stuff. I'll start out with the Valentine's Day stuff. The first thing I got was this dish towel and pot holder set. It was, I believe, $3. Yep, $3 for the set, if you can see that. And the pot holder is like a light pink, and it has little hearts on it. And then the dish towel is light pink and white striped. And then it has these little tassels down at the end that's super cute. Perfect to just add a little decor to your kitchen. The next item I got was this cute little cake stand. They had a pink one and they had the white one. I got the white one. It has little scalloped detail on the edges plus little hearts, and it's just really cute. And this was only $5. Yep, this one was $5. So I don't know, I'll display it in my kitchen. I think everything I got for Valentine's Day I will be displaying in my kitchen. So, all right, the next item I got, which is really cute, is this little picture frame with the hearts, with the pink and then the one red heart. It's just, I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. This is probably something that I could DIY from Dollar Tree, but I'd probably spend $3 making it, which this only cost $3. So why not just pick it up while I see it? And I thought it was really cute because it has the wood and everything, and it'll be cute to display for Valentine's Day, even into spring. The next 2 items are these little tea towels. They were just $1 each. I got 2 of them. They had all different kinds. Actually, they had ones with like cocktail recipes on them, and then they had ones with little Valentine sayings. But these ones have just little gold hearts on them, and they're just little cloth tea towels, which I just think you could actually, I might DIY something with them, or I I don't know, put them somewhere. I don't know, they're just really cute. And then I got some of these just little paper straws that were pink and white, if you can see that. Pink and white, there it is. And they were only $1 as well. And they'll just be cute to add to a little container and set maybe on top of the cake stand or whatever. The next thing I got were these little jars that say baked with love on the top of them. They have little mason jars. They have little pink lids that say baked with love. And they actually show that you can like bake a cupcake in them. And they have little labels as well in the inside, little heart labels that you can like, you could give these out or just bake some and put them on the little cake stand to display. I think that would be super cute. I don't know, I really liked those, and they were only $3 for the set. They did have larger ones that came 2 in a set, I believe, and they didn't show like cupcakes on those ones. They just showed like holding like candy or something in those, which I thought those were cute too, but I liked the smaller ones. And then I got this tray. Oh my god, you can't see it. Okay, this tray that says hello love, and it is in a light pink. I just thought it was super cute. It has like the little handles on the side, and it was only $5. And they had different kinds of these as well. I think there was 2 other kinds that they had. One that was like a wood look grain to it that said something different. I don't remember what it said. And then there was, I can't remember the other one. But they did have another one there. But I think it might have been red. But I like the light pink because it went with my decor and I can use it for spring too. So that was all the Valentine's Day stuff I got. And then I just saw they had these little stamps, 30 count, alphabet, number, nope, just alphabet, not number, just alphabet stamps. And they were $3, but I thought these would come in handy for some DIYs or something. I always say I need stamps and never have them. This didn't come with an ink pad though. Well, now I have stamps and no ink pad, but I'm sure I can get an ink pad at Hobby Lobby or something. So whatever, anyways, I have stamps now. The next thing I got was the little two-tiered metal white tray. I actually had this in my cart and then I was like, oh, I don't need it. I already got the white heart tray or whatever. And then I decided I wanted it and I had already left the store, so my husband went back and got it for me. So that was really nice of him. And it cost $5. So I thought that was a good deal, and I don't have a tiered tray, so this will be perfect for now. I could use this for whenever because it's just white, but it'll be really cute for spring, I think, too, to decorate it. So we'll see how I decorate that. And then the next things are kind of like, they were like in the winter decor. There was like an end cap with some winter decor that had some really cute items, and I got, let's see, I got this little and symbol. I don't know why, I just liked it, so I got it. Actually, I did not realize it was $5. This and sign was $5. I thought it was $3, but I got it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I thought it was cute. Then I also got this home sweet home sign, and this was $3. That's why I got all confused. I thought this was $5 and the other one was $3. This one was $3, and this was in a green. They also had like a gray wash and something else. I'm really bad at this. I think I should probably take more footage maybe when I'm out. But this one, I don't know, this one went with my house and I like the green. I want to kind of add a little bit more of the green because I think it goes with like the eucalyptus and lamb's ear kind of feel, and the black and the white. So that's kind of what I'm going for. The next item I got, or items I got, were these little wooden blocks that were $1. This one says this one says let's cuddle, and it's in that green color, the same green color as the sign. Then this one is in like a black gray color that says love you more, also $1. This one says Let It Snow. This is like a wood with like a little whitewash on it color. I think you guys can see that. Kind of, yeah. And then this last one is like a dark brown wood. It says Home Sweet Home and looks like a house. And they had a smaller house. Actually, my husband went back and got these too because I had those in my cart, but then I decided that I didn't want them along with that tiered tray, and I put them back. So he went back to the store after dinner and got that tiered tray and these little wooden blocks as well. And they had a smaller one that I wanted, but they must have sold it in the hour that I left there. Oh well, anyways, I got those. And then the next thing I got was they had these cute little ceramic vases. This one is like a bluish gray, like on the top, and then on the bottom it's kind of like a black color. And they had a couple different colors of this. They had the green, and I think I want to say another, like I don't know, they had another color, but I liked this one. It was $5. So I thought this would be cute to just set up with some greenery, which I picked up. I picked up 2 picks. That's all that I saw of this. I don't even know what it is, but it's just like this greenery. It's a light green, kind of like a lamb's ear or eucalyptus color, if that makes sense. But that's not what it is. It's not that. And these were $3 for each pick, and I picked up 2 of them. So I don't know, I thought that would be cute, like inside the vase. I don't know, displayed somewhere. I don't know. I thought it would be cute. All right, guys, that is it for my haul today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you guys found at your Target and dollar spot, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.